we're here. This is the last homework assignment in Eureka Math Squared, Module 3 for second grade, Lesson 19. We're on page 115, and we have one to do on 116. Let's get this over with. All right. Alex starts to play basketball at 10:10 a.m. He stops playing at 10:50 a.m. How long does Alex play basketball? All right, well, this is kind of similar to the one we did on lesson 17 where we had to plot the timeout. But look, we start at 10 here. We ended 11 here. So let's find it. So we want 10:10. Well, we don't need to worry about the hours. They took care of that for us. So the hours don't matter right now. So let's find the minutes. So we want to find 10. So 10:10 right here. Okay, right there. Make a nice big dot on it. Right there is 10:10. So now we need to find the 50. Well, the 50 is 50. So let's look. There's a 50 right here. Okay, right there. All right. So now how are we going to count this? We're going to count this the same way we've been counting this. We're not going to change anything new. So we want to just make our jump. So we go 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. We showed it there, right? All these are plus 5s. So we went from 10, we got to 50, and that was 40. You can also say 50 minus 10 if you want, and that would give you the answer also. So down here you have to write it. All right? How long does Alex play basketball? So you're going to write Alex. We can better X that. Plays basketball for 40 F-O-R-T-Y minutes M-I-N-U-T-E-S. There's your answer. Oops, move it up a little bit. Alex plays basketball for 40 minutes. You wrote it, you showed it, you got it right. We're going to look at the back page. Number 2, circle the cubes. Cubes. We've got to remember what a cube is. So I'm going to help you a little bit, but I'm not really going to do much on this one, to be honest with you. So you have, if we look, I see a rectangle face, a square face, a triangle face, a rectangle face, a square face. So cubes are 3D versions, right, of a 2D shape. So our 2D shapes, if we just took the faces, that would be our 2D shape. So this is a rectangle, a square, triangle, rectangle, square. So take that 2D shape and make it look the same all the way around, like you have here. You see rectangle, 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 square, 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 triangle, triangle, rectangle, 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 square, square, square. These might not look like it. Promise you, those are squares just the same. They're not trying to trick you. All right. So a cube has how many edges? A cube has how many faces? And a cube has how many vertices? Vertices are the corners, the points, sharp things that would cut you. All right. So I'll give you a hint. There are 2 cubes in here. 2 of them. All right. I'll give you another little hint. If you know the colors of Fordson High School, what colors do they have? What colors do the University of Michigan? What are their colors? You can do that. And there's your cube to help you out, or your cube to help you out. Well, I mean, it is helping you out with the cube. But that's your clue to help you out. All right? Use that to help you. Then remember, you got to count all the edges. That's all the straight lines that you can see and can't see because these are 3D shapes. You got to count all the faces. If you went all the way around the shape, how many flat spots would you see on the shape? And vertices, those are all the points that you see around the shape that you're going with. Remember, this is asking for 1. How many does a cube have? A cube, 1 cube. All right? Hope that helps. I'll be back with a little help for you for that Module 2 test that's coming up. All right? As always, have a good night.